Okay, so now we're going to talk about the veins of the upper extremity. This is part 3. These are the deep veins. So if you remember in part 1, I just showed you a picture of the veins. Part 2, we talked about what the superficial veins. And again, the superficial veins are if your arm was laying on a table with the palm up, the part of your forearm you could see would be the veins closest to the skin would be the superficial veins. In this part, we're going to talk about the deep veins. Now, the deep veins would be, again, if you put your palm face down and you looked at the back of your forearm, you'd see the back of your hand and your forearm, those would be the deep veins. And these are a lot easier than the superficial veins. So let's go ahead and get started. Once again, we're going to start with the palmar venous arch, but we're going to be on another part of it that's actually deep. So this is my palmar venous arch. Right here. And now this is actually draining the top of the hand. Okay, we have a palmar venous arch which drains the palm. This part's doing the top of the hand. This, like I said, is going to be a lot easier because now I am going to have and let's say this is my left hand, okay? This would be my radial vein, and this would be my ulnar vein. Okay? And then what's going to happen is these two are going to come together to form my brachial vein. So this is going to be up where my bicep is, okay? These are in the forearms. They start at the wrist and go up to just about the elbow. I'm going to have my brachial vein. My brachial vein, if you remember on the superficial veins, I had the basilic. So my brachial vein is going to drain into my basilic vein. All right, and I'm just going to draw the basilic as a dotted line because, as we know, that was the superficial vein. And then what's going to happen is that's going to go on and drain into or become the axillary vein. Okay, and that's the axillary vein. So, and that's it for the deep veins of the arm.